got a message from my new.
Hi everyone, this is Ava and Ashley, my little sister, and today we have an exciting video because we're gonna do
an ABG transformation.
I know, so I'm gonna go from this to an ABG. Well, we'll see if we can even pull it off, but
hopefully.
She's pretty good at makeup, so we're gonna do this. So she's gonna sit here. You probably won't be seeing her, but let's start this transformation. Okay, so we're gonna start off with some primer, the VDL Lumilayer. It's so good. So I got a mini size for my travels as well.
It's around this much.
Okay, that's all we need.
Focus on oily spots and eyes. I'm gonna do a lot of eye makeup today.
Now we're gonna go in with foundation. This is the Orce foundation. Really good for Asian skin tone. So I do have shade 20 Celaine. And I haven't used this foundation in a while because I've just been using concealer or cushion during my stay in Korea. But today we're gonna go a little glam with full face foundation.
Like that.
Okay.
And then apply it.
With you, just can't get you off my mind. And you know that.
Remember to soak your beauty blender.
Oh yeah, always soak your beauty blender.
Never usually the one who wanna save on. Never thought that I'd be here calling you baby. But I fuck with you.
First layer is done.
Okay,
Then
first
the
layer.
second layer for parts where you need a little more coverage.
Okay.
So redness. A little
Dark circles.
So don't apply too much foundation all at once.
Layering is important. It's an important thing that I always learn from makeup artists. 2 light layers instead of 1 thick layer.
Now all I do is think about you every night. Lay up with you, just can't get you.
Kosas.
This is concealer. You guys know this is the only concealer I've been using for the last 6 months at least.
But I know you've been racing. Never usually the one who wanna save on. Thought that I'd be here calling you baby. Yeah, gotta fuck with you and all the rules that I didn't say you got me breaking.
So this is after the foundation and concealer. Love the overall finish. Wow, this looks flawless, Ash.
Thank you. Next, we're gonna do a little contour, just a nose for right now.
Too cool for school. That's like the palette that every single Korean girl has.
Just gonna use the first and second shade a little.
Okay,
Always tap it.
tap it.
ABGs in general, I think they do contour quite a lot
Yeah, true.
to make your face structures look a lot more defined.
Yeah, which I usually never do. Ooh, it looks a lot more defined already.
Yeah.
Wow.
So, tip.
Oh, I didn't realize you go to like the eyebrows too with this.
Yeah. So when you contour, you don't just do here like a straight line.
Yeah.
It's
Go
better
all the
to
way up
start
to-
from here,
Ah.
like this, not from here.
Yeah.
So from
below the
here.
eyebrow. Okay.
So like that.
Okay.
So it makes a much more natural contour look. And then you
So from
focus
below.
right here
Yeah.
too. Because here, like they're
Yeah.
right next to your eyes, you focus there.
With this look today, I'm actually gonna go meet my friend in Korea, and we're gonna film a fun TikTok. So the whole idea behind this ABG is that eventually I want to look more like a Jessie. If you guys don't know, she's a really popular Korean rap singer. You would have to say rapper, yeah. She's recently gained a lot of fame in Korea with her Nununana song. So it's like a big TikTok challenge, and in Korea in general, I feel like everyone knows that song at this point, especially this month. So we want to do like the whole dance with my friend. She's going to be in another funny costume while I am Jessie. So let's try to make me into a Jessie today.
And next we're gonna go into brows and eyeshadow, being a base for our eyes.
Okay, starting with the base with our eyes.
So in general, ABGs do have a lot more catty look.
Sure, catty.
Nice girl image. It's a bit more of like a bad bitch.
I look a bad bitch. I'm a nice girl, right?
Okay. Next, we're gonna go use brows.
Okay. This is from Revitalash, one of my favorite brow products.
Brush your brows.
Even me, you tried it. She can never be. You tried it. Run it, yeah. You tried it. Almost by the rolling.
What kind of shape are we going for with my brows today? Long?
Bit more arched, I think.
Run it, yeah. You tried it. Run it, yeah. You tried. I'm so mad that I hit on my ex. Man, he told me to pull up. I said yes.
The brows are done. Definitely a lot more arch, as you can see. Okay, use a Tarte palette. Tarte has some of the best like eyeshadow palettes. Neutral colors. Let's do that. Yeah, let's work this, baby. Okay, like
Only woman with 100 on me. How you play me for a fake hoe? New Chanel with the gator bonnet.
The problem with Ava is that she wouldn't ever close your eyes.
don't like closing my eyes.
Next, we're gonna go with the color Playful right here. So we just finished Playful, so we're gonna do a little bit of Hotline and
Okay.
Snuggle.
All right.
I think he's offended when it goes off. I just roll it backward and I doze.
We're going in with some falsies now. Using these from Eylure. Hello. Oh my god. It's not bad. It just feels really uncomfortable.
Okay.
How do people wear this every day?
You get used to it. Like after an hour, you're not gonna feel it.
Okay.
Next, we're gonna do a bit more eyeshadow on top
Alright.
to smoothen out the lash line.
Guys, this looks so unnatural. I'm really not a lash person, but...
Lovers fall into my covers where they sink.
Eyeliner? Touch and Sol Eyeliner. I think doing the eyeliner may make this look a little more natural.
Disposable as chewing gum. There are deal
And now...
I'm gonna do a little bit of glitter.
This is the Lancome stick. I think I got you this.
Yeah, this shade.
Do we kiss and lie in bed to fill awkward silences? Do we feel emptiness afterwards? Cause I want something.
Look so far.
Blush
Powder.
and lip.
Okay.
But for now, let's something fun.
Alright. Ooh. What are we doing?
Powder.
Uh-huh.
I'm gonna do a fake tattoo
Oh my god.
with eyeliner.
Wow, yeah, because we couldn't get fake tattoos, so. Eyeliner it is. Once again, going in with the Touch and Soul. What are you going to draw?
I'm just gonna draw love. Is
Okay.
that fine?
Yeah.
Saying I'm some genius, but I'm smart enough to know how much fight.
Guys, it says love. Wow, really good handwriting.
And then we're gonna do powder on top of that.
Okay.
I'm tired.
Alright, now lastly, we're going to go in with some highlighter using my favorite Chanel highlighter.
There are deal breakers where I come from. My family don't suffer, fools glad they know. Do we kiss and lie?
Lastly, blush. We're going to use the Amuse Blush. I just got this recently. Love it.
I think this is a lip.
Yeah, but
Oh,
you
we
can use it
can
for
use
both.
it. It's very natural.
If I'm a fun keeper, not saying I'm some genius, but I'm smart enough to know I'm worth fighting for.
Now we need to do an outfit change, right? Oh, I had to do my contacts too. So now we're gonna use some contacts. This is from HAPA KRISTIN. I've used this before as well. All right, put my contacts in, and I put the black top on, and I think I'm pretty close to getting to the ABG look now. And I need some hoops now. Okay, this is the finished ABG look that my sister helped me. Thank you, Ashley. Contacts, ring, tattoo, top. We're done. Full ABG look with my shorts and everything. So we're gonna go film some exciting stuff. 엄마, 나 어때? 연예인. 연예인? Oh, this is so funny. Thank you so much for watching my ABG transformation, and make sure to subscribe to my channel for more fun videos like this, and also of course skincare reviews. All right, well, also follow me on Instagram and TikTok to see the final look of this, and also my
TikTok dance related to Jessie. All right, I love you guys. Bye.